Welcome to Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Today we have a delicious and easy to make homemade seeded bread. After trying this recipe, you'll never want to buy another loaf again. This is what you'll need to make 2 large loaves. To make smaller loaves or just one, you can halve the ingredients. Let's get started. Pour 1 litre of warm water into a large bowl, followed by 2 packets of instant dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I've used coconut sugar as a healthier option, but if you don't have any, caster sugar can be used. Blend together using a whisk. After whisking for a few minutes, pour in 140 grams of mixed pumpkin, sunflower and sesame seeds. Continue whisking until the yeast has been dissolved. Then start gradually adding 1.5 kilos of strong bread flour. I've used white, but you can use whichever you prefer. Add 1 dessert spoon of salt. Continue adding and mixing in the flour using a wooden spoon until a dough begins to form. Then transfer to using your hands and knead for 10 minutes until you have a soft and slightly sticky dough. By using a little flour on your hands, you can avoid sticking. Once you have a soft and consistent dough, apply a drop of olive oil to the bowl to avoid sticking and cover and leave to proof for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough should have doubled in size. Place on a clean and floured surface and work the dough for a couple of minutes. Divide into 2 parts for the 2 loaves we will be making. Place 1 part back into the bowl and keep covered to avoid drying. Line a baking tray with grease-proof paper and sprinkle with sesame seeds or seeds of your choice. Time to start forming the desired shape of your loaf. Once you're happy with the shape, transfer to the baking tray. Cover the loaf with the seeds, adding more if needed. You can decorate the top as you like. Prepare the second loaf in the same way. You can get creative with the shape. Cover and proof the loaves for an additional hour before placing in the oven. Make sure to preheat the oven. Bake at gas mark 6 or 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 30 minutes or until hollow when tapped. Afiyet olsun. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.